Hey guys, Matty Miller, Pursuit Real Estate. Hope you are doing well. And today we're going to quickly break down what is going into effect over the next few weeks. Technically, the drop dead date is August 17th, but we're going to talk about buyer brokerage agreements as if you were a buyer. So if you're looking to buy a home, what does that mean for you, and what are you going to be asked to be signed legally? That is, you have to sign it before you look at houses. So we'll break it down right now. All right, so many of you have heard about this new NAR settlement. For those of you that don't know what NAR means, it's National Association of Realtors. There was a lawsuit that was settled a few months back in Missouri that made kind of a landslide decision in our industry. Basically, as a buyer, and I'm not going to go through everything, but as a buyer, what does it mean for you? Starting on August 17th, which is past at this point. So if you are looking at homes and your agent that you're working with has not asked you to sign a buyer brokerage agreement stating that you, the buyer, will pay them commission, you'll pay your agent commission, then they're in violation of this act at this point. We have to now have a buyer brokerage agreement in place before showing you any home, with the exceptions, which would be an open house. If you're going to an open house, you do not have to sign anything. That is open to the public, and that's perfectly fine. But if you are actively working with myself or another agent of any other brokerage, you need to have something signed in place that says you will pay that agent X commission of the sale price when you purchase a home. Now, what that really means is your agent, the one that you hire, hopefully it's me, maybe it's not, no big deal. There's a lot of other good agents out there. What that really means is your agent is now going to the selling agent, i.e. the listing agent, and negotiating that commission for him. More than likely, the selling agent is offering a commission. Don't know what it is. That's no longer a part of our MLS. And you aren't responsible necessarily for paying that, but we are responsible for negotiating that for ourselves. You are agreeing it. Most of it, at least for us, we're probably going to put 3% on everything. It doesn't mean that we're going to get 3%. We may negotiate that less, but that's the maximum we can take. But moral of the story is you're going to be asked to sign a document that says if you buy a home within a certain time frame, you're responsible for paying that agent X amount. The only way you're going to probably have that come up is if you have a home that is offering 0% commission, in which case the buyer agent doesn't get paid. That's going to be a whole other situation. It's different. It's new. There's going to be some issues. And I honestly think we're going to probably have more lawsuits over the next few months, years, before we all settle back down into a normal system. That's my opinion. A lot of other agents may have a different opinion on that. Other brokers may have a different opinion on that. But regardless, understand that if you have not signed a buyer brokerage agreement and you're looking at houses as a buyer in this market in Jacksonville, Florida, you are probably in violation, and your agent is also in violation. And I believe the fine can be up to $200 per showing of a house if you don't have that agreement. So if you have questions on why that's there, I actually have a link attached and also another quick video, which you really don't need to watch because you watch this video. But check out the link. It is from our association, National Association of Realtors. And if you have questions, reach out to me, schedule a call. By all means, we're here for you. If you have questions, please give us a shout. Hope you're doing well. Have a great end to your summer, and hopefully we get some cool down soon. So talk to you guys soon. Take care.